Hola, soy la profesora Clark, and today we are going to talk about using the irregular verb ir. Ir is one of those verbs that you are going to have to just memorize. It's irregular in its infinitive because it's only two letters, ir, and it can be used to express a plan followed by an infinitive, and we'll see that below. It can also be used to express a destination. But first of all, let's review the conjugation for ir. Ir means to go in Spanish. So the yo form is going to be voy, the tu is going to be vas, and third person and second person formal are going to be, él va, ella va, and usted. Sorry about that, va. Nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, and ellos van, ellas van, y ustedes van. Again, you'll see that this is completely irregular. Ir goes to voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. You will have to memorize this verb. No two ways about it. So in order to use the verb ir to express a destination, you will use this grammar. I'm going to add ir plus the preposition a plus a definite article and followed by the place. So if we look at the grammar, it's color-coded. Green, ir, goes to voy. A is the preposition. La is going to be the definite article. And the place is going to be oficina. Voy a la oficina. This means I'm going to the office. I plan to go to the office. I am on my way there. I am not there already. In this case right here, we have vamos al restaurante. It follows the same grammar, except a contraction occurs with the preposition and the definite article. If you look over here, when using the previous constructions, remember that a contraction occurs when the preposition a precedes a singular masculine definite article, which is el. So a is going to be in red and el is going to be in blue, and together they make the purple al, which is a contraction in Spanish. It does not have an apostrophe, but it's a contraction nonetheless. And it turns into all, which means to the. And just be careful not to mistake the singular masculine definite article el for the subject pronoun el, which has an accent. And the one that has an accent, you do not make the contraction. The contraction only occurs with the definite article el. Moving right along, to express a plan to do something, again, we follow the color-coded grammar. Ir is in green. Then I have my preposition again in red, a. And then I can follow it up with an infinitive verb. So, ir goes to voy, a, and dormir. I'm going to sleep. This is a plan. It's something that has not happened yet. It's something that I plan to do. If you are planning on studying, I can say, or if I am planning on studying, I can say voy a estudiar. But what if I want to know if you are going to study? And I'd like to ask you a question. I can ask a question using the same construction. ¿Vas a estudiar? And I can answer that and say sí. Voy a estudiar. The thing to keep in mind is that the grammar, ir, a, plus infinitive, in the question matches the grammar in the answer, ir, a, plus infinitive. Ella va a escribir un correo electrónico. And again, this could be turned into a question. Ella va a escribir un correo electrónico? Sí. Ella va a escribir un correo electrónico. And finally, can I combine the plan with the destination? Of course. So if you look at the color-coded, and it's a little confusing, but I'm going to draw it out for you right here. Ir is going to be voy, and then your preposition a, and then ir a la oficina. So this is a plan to go to a destination right here. Voy a ir a la oficina. Again, van a ir a la conferencia. This is a plan. Okay. to go to the conference. Okay, and I will make this a little more understandable by drawing circles around each of the individual grammars. So here I have my plan, voy a ir, okay, and my destination, ir a la oficina. So they intersect at this word right in the middle there, okay. Again, ellos van a ir, here's my plan, and my destination, ir a la conferencia, and they intersect right in the middle here. But basically this is a plan to go to a destination. Other than that, ir will have to be memorized, and just understand that we can add ir as a plan to our tener que, which is an obligation, and we will have questions dealing with plans and obligations on our next oral test. Thank you for paying attention. Thank you for tuning in, and hasta pronto. Ciao.